DJT stock analysis tomorrow, Wednesday and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Let's see where is Trump Media stock or Trump Media and technology stock going in the next upcoming days, weeks, months. First of all, it's quite bearish. Second of all, this is how it looks like. Now, just for context, I'm using a strategy that has previously delivered thousands of quick predictions, and I'm telling you all of this because that is, one, for sure correct, and two, everything has been documented. So with DJT, look, zoom out, like just go check out this chart, zoom out and look like how this looks like, whether it's bullish or bearish. When you're going to see, you're going to figure out why this is pointing towards the upside. But the only case that I'm really going to look for something bullish and otherwise thing is going to be if we start breaking, like ultimately from where we are right now, if we start breaking $21, and that's it. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. And in the meantime, I'll keep you updated.